white snow leopard, Panthera uncia, also known as the ghost of the mountains, is a rare and elusive big cat native to the rugged mountain ranges of Central and South Asia. Known for its strikingly beautiful white and grey fur with black rosettes, the snow leopard is perfectly adapted to its cold, high-altitude environment. The snow leopard's thick, dense fur provides insulation against frigid temperatures, while its coloration offers excellent camouflage against rocky terrain. Their long, thick tail helps them maintain balance on steep slopes and doubles as a wraparound blanket for warmth when resting. Their wide fur-covered paws act like natural snowshoes, enabling them to traverse deep snow and rocky surfaces with ease. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.